Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to download and install Netflix on your Windows computer. First, go to your Start menu and search for Microsoft Store. Click to open it. If you don't already have a Microsoft account, you'll need to log in or create one to proceed. Once you're in the Microsoft Store, go to the search bar at the top right corner. Type Netflix and press Enter. Netflix should appear in the search results. Click on it. On the Netflix app page, you'll see a Get or Install button. Click it, and the download process will start automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. Once the download is complete, the app will automatically install. You'll see a notification when it's ready to open. After installation, you can open Netflix directly from the store by clicking Open, or find it in your Start menu under Recently Added or Netflix. Launch the app, and you'll be prompted to sign in. Enter your Netflix account details, and you're good to go. That's it. You now have Netflix installed on your Windows computer and can start streaming your favorite shows and movies. Enjoy watching.